girl, I gotta let you know some people think I'm scum. They think that I'm a jerk and I'm a loser and a bum. But when it comes down to it, I'm just focused on myself. So stick around, cause when they IDCs go pretty well. Girl, I gotta let you know some people think I'm scum. They think that I'm a jerk and I'm a loser and a bum. When it comes down to it, I'm just focused on myself. So stick around, cause when they IDCs go pretty well.
What's up, y'all? It's your homeboy, The Identity Crisis. Welcome to another edition of Eqotw. Remember to send your questions in to the_IDC@hotmail.com. Let's get to business. This week's question comes from Austin, Texas. Are you allergic to anything? And is it true that if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will fall out of your head? Good questions. In terms of food, no, I'm not really allergic to anything. I can eat whatever I want, pretty much. As you can tell, I'm stuffed up a little bit right now. That's because it's allergy season. I have seasonal allergies. I'm allergic to, stuff like ragweed, pollen, pretty much anything that's outside right now. I'm also allergic to stuff like cats and dust and stuff like that. As for the sneezing and the eyeballs thing, I guess there's only one way to find out. Crap. Dang it! Crap. Oh man, I'm crying. Kids, don't try this at home. I guess we'll never know. Hope that answers your question. See you next time. I'm just an option. You're my top priority. I'm just an option. I was just a fantasy. I'm sure this is all interesting television. Oh man, I'm crying. Oh man, here we go. Oh, I should probably stop this. That one was dangerously close. It's an interesting look, eh? Oh crap. I'm crying. I'm crying. Son of a, that hurt. It's all for my art.